Come on, Tucka.
Let's show them how we walk. Step. Step, step, step. Here we go.
Good job.
What a big girl.
Yay.
Go to Mama. Just scroll right on over.
Walking without pants. Yeah.
Daddy'd be walking without pants too, but that'd make a weird video.
Okay. We should let her crawl too. Jeannie wanted a video of her crawling.
What a big girl. All right.
Okay, you can crawl now.
Let's crawl.
Let's take her back so it's light.
Go,
All right,
Mama.
Chica. Come on. Good job. You're not going too fast. Come here. Oh, you found the kitty. Where's the kitty? Now you found the dog.